Welcome to Tai Chi. I am Sarah, a whole health coach and Tai Chi facilitator. Tai Chi movements can be done standing or seated. If you are doing them standing, I invite you to follow along with me. Modify however you need to the best of your ability. If you are doing them seated, just moving your upper body. By playing this video, you acknowledge that you are participating voluntarily and at your own risk. Some potential risks related to Tai Chi may include, but are not limited to, muscle soreness, stiffness, falling. To minimize these risks, please take breaks throughout as needed, modify the movements, or do them seated in a chair. Many benefits. This may include improved mobility, strength, balance, mood, flexibility, among many others. It is your responsibility to consult with your healthcare provider if you do have any concerns or questions with starting this video before starting any other exercise program or any other forms of physical activity. All of these movements that we do today can be modified, can also be done seated like I shared. Please be mindful of your body and what your body can do today. Really listening to your body, not pushing past your limit, not going to 100%, going to about 80% to help prevent injury and to really support your health and wellness. Tai Chi can be described as a moving meditation. It's really about connecting our breath to our movement, connecting our minds to our body. So often we are going throughout our day on autopilot. With Tai Chi, we are present in our space. We are focusing on the here and now. We will be moving and breathing with intention. Our posture, our body is upright. Our spine is comfortably aligned. Our shoulders are balanced and relaxed as much as we can. We are feeling deeply rooted into the ground. The earth is fully supporting us, whether we are doing these moves standing or seated. So let's start by bringing awareness to our space. Really focusing on our breath. And let's go ahead, start matching our breathing to our movements. Let's take a nice inhale, breathing into our lower lungs as our hands come up. And exhale as our hands come down. Inhale, bringing those hands up. Exhale, releasing the hands down in front of you. Our knees are not locked out. We have just a slight bend. Nice supportive stance here. And as we inhale, we are gathering all the wonderful positive energy or chi around us and bringing it down in front of our body. Let's go ahead and start stretching. I will be mirroring you, so bringing your left ear to your left shoulder. Continuing to breathe throughout all these stretches and movements, never holding your breath. There are always ways to modify these stretches. If they don't feel good, you can do a different stretch. You can always enhance. Bring your arm behind your back. Push it down. Now let's bring our right ear to our right shoulder. Again, not pushing to 100%. Another option, bringing your hand on top of your head just for a little extra gentle pressure. Let's bring our chin down towards our chest. If you'd like to, put a little extra pressure on the back of your head. And let's bring our gaze slightly up towards the ceiling. Rolling your shoulders back and down. Maybe closing your mouth, really feeling the stretch in the front of your chest, shoulders, throat. You don't want to have your head cranked back. Nice, gentle gaze up. Bringing your head up. Let's bring our shoulders up to our ears. Really do an exaggerated shrug. And pushing our shoulders down, like somebody's coming behind you and pushing them gently down, helping release any tension, tightness that maybe you have in your upper back or neck. And bringing them neutral. Let's roll our shoulders back. So options here, you can roll both shoulders back. You can do one arm at a time like you're doing a backstroke. What feels good today as you continue to breathe into your lower lungs? And now let's rotate them forward. Let's bring our left hand across our body to do a gentle reach. Bringing it back, right arm across our body. It's up to you if you just want to be getting a stretch in the arm or want to twist a little bit into your spine. What feels good? Back and forth. Nice, slow, controlled movements. We're breathing with intention. We're moving with intention and coming straight. Let's bring our attention down to our midsection, doing hip circles. So pushing our hips forward, feeling the stretch in your hip flexors, in your hips, and the back of your legs, and coming around. And let's go the opposite direction. Coming straight down to our knees. Knee circles, if this feels okay. If you are seated, kick one leg out, nice, gentle, slowly, getting that rotation, that range of motion in your knees. And let's go the opposite direction. If you are seated, circling your ankles now, or pedaling your foot forward and back. Take a nice deep inhale, reach your arms up towards the ceiling, continue to breathe as you reach. If you'd like to work on your balance, you can come up on your toes, you can hold it for a second, 2 seconds, whatever challenges you. You can hold on to a chair while you're doing this. And let's come down, do a forward fold. So reaching forward, you can bring your hands down to your thighs for support, even if you're seated doing this. You can bring your hands down to your shins or all the way to your toes. Releasing your head, moving it about, nice and gently, shaking it yes, shaking it no. And let's slowly walk up, so you don't get lightheaded. For our last one, we're gonna do a twist and slap. So to start, we're just moving that upper body, letting our hands kind of float around like wet noodles. Now, if you want to do this with more intention, you can slap at your opposite hip, opposite back, about the kidney area. Or to enhance it yet, opposite shoulder. Making sure you don't have any implants, you don't bruise easy. What feels good today, something else might feel better tomorrow. Do what your body wants. And now let's come center. Just checking in. How does your body feel now compared to when you first started? Where is your mind at? Where's your attention? If it has drifted away from your space, just bring it back. let's begin with the Tai Chi salute. I am not mirroring you this time, so your right hand making a fist, left hand block, and the gentle bow with your gaze up. Shifting your weight to that right leg, holding that ball by your right hip, right hand is on top. Nice, gentle wind up. Exhale, step out with that left foot, shifting the ball to your left hip. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step out, shift the ball. Inhale, wind up. Exhale as you shift the ball. Nice, slow, relaxing movements, side to side. Inhale on that wind up. Exhale as you shift to the right. Parting the wild horse's mane. Starting on that right side. Nice gentle little bend in your knee, never having it locked out. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step forward, part those arms. Left arm comes up, option to lift that back leg. Rocking back to that right foot. Forward to the left to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, right foot steps out, right arm reaches. Inhale, rock back, regaining your balance and that ball, and shifting forward. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Inhale as you rock back. Exhale as you rock forward. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, reach. Rocking back. Rock forward, shift that ball to the right. If you have room, you can keep walking forward. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, reach. Inhale, rock back to that right foot. Exhale, rock forward to that left foot to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, right foot steps out, right arm reaches. Rocking back to that left foot. Rock forward to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Again, option to lift that back leg or leave it down on the ground. Rocking back, you regain your stability, the ball, and then shift it forward to that left hip. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, right foot steps out, right arm reaches. Rocking back to that left foot. Rocking forward to reset. Single whip. Very similar to parting the wild horse's mane. Wind up, but in that right hand, grabbing a hook. Exhale, step, whip. Rocking back, drop that hook. Rock forward, shift that ball to your left hip. Inhale, wind up, grab that hook. Exhale, step, whip, option to lift that back leg. Rocking back, drop that hook. Rock forward, shifting that ball back to that right hip. Inhale, wind up, grab that hook. Exhale, step, whip. Inhale, rocking back, drop. Exhale, rock forward to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, whip. Inhale, rock back, drop. Rock forward to reset. Inhale, wind Exhale, step, whip. Rocking back, drop. Rocking forward to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, whip. Inhale, rock back, drop. Rock forward to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, whip. Rocking back, drop. Rock forward to reset. Even if I'm not cueing breathing, make sure you continue to breathe. Step, whip. Rocking back, drop. Rock forward to reset. Waving hands like clouds. We are going to be stepping side to side again. So starting on our right side, holding that ball. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step out with that left foot. Left hand comes in front of your face as you slowly shift to the left. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, and wherever you want your gaze to be, you can have your gaze at your hands so the room is blurry. You can have your gaze above your hands so that room is clear. Hand is still in front of your face. Or if you safely can, you can close your eyes as you do this. Again, making sure that it is safe. So wherever you want your gaze to go, inhale on that wind up. Exhale as you shift. Waving hands like clouds. Nice slow movement. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale, that top hand is in front of your face. Bottom hand, fingers are pointed away from you. Nice, gently floating from side to side. Next one, reverse monkey. Coming forward, making sure you have space behind you. You're not going to be hitting anything. Starting on our right side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step back with that opposite foot, opposite arm. Come behind you. Look behind you if you can. Inhale as you step up, shifting that ball to the left side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, right foot steps back, right arm reaches. Inhale as you step forward, resetting on that right side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, left foot steps back, pull that bow back. And slowly step forward, resetting on the left. Inhale. Exhale, right foot steps back, and you're not on a balance beam. You're going out a little diagonally, feeling fully supported and stable doing so. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, left foot steps back, left arm comes behind you, looking behind you. Inhaling as you step forward to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, pull back. Inhale as you slowly step forward, resetting on the right. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, pull back. exhale to step forward, resetting. So stepping back again, the next one, brush knee. A couple of options. You can lift up that knee, you can step forward, brush it, or if you're doing stationary, you just brush that knee, do that upper body movement. But if you're walking, you can follow along. So starting on that right side, inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush that left knee, push that right hand. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, reach both arms forward. Option to lift that back leg if you want. Rocking back to that right foot. Rock forward to that left to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush knee, push that left hand. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, push, reach both arms forward. Rocking back to that left foot, and however you want to transition your hands, move that ball to your right hip to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush knee, push that right hand. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, reach forward. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, reset on the left side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush, push that left hand. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, reach both arms. Rocking back. Transition that ball to that right hip to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush, push. Rocking back. Reach forward. Rocking back. Rock forward to that left foot to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush knee, push that left hand. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, reach forward up to you how far you can safely reach. Exhale and reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush, push. Rocking back, inhale. Exhale, reach. Inhale, rocking back. Exhale, resetting on the left side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, brush, push. Rocking back. Now reach both arms. Rock back, regaining your stability, the ball, and shifting it to the right. Fair Lady works with shuttles. Starting on your right. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, left foot step, right hand punches. Rocking back. We're gonna now swoop down that left leg, going into a little back bend. What feels good for you? Flipping those wrists around, bringing your weight to that right foot, curving your back forward, and then shifting forward to your left to reset. Winding up, step, punch with that left hand, rocking back, going down that right leg, just as far as you safely can, little back bend, flipping those wrists, bringing your weight to that left foot, curving your back forward, and then shifting that ball and your weight to the right to reset. Inhaling, exhale, step, punch. Inhale, rock back. Exhale, we're going to swoop down, going into that back bend. Inhale, flipping those wrists, curving that back forward. And exhale as we reset on the left side. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, punch. Inhale, rocking back. Exhale, let's swoop down that leg. Inhale, curving that back forward. Exhale, resetting. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, punch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, curving your back forward. Exhale, resetting. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, punch. Inhale, rocking back. Exhale, going down your leg. It's up to you how much of a move you want to do with these. Bringing that back forward. Weight is in your left foot. And then resetting forward on your right. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, punch. Inhale, rocking back. Exhale, swoop down that leg, going into the back bend. Flipping your wrists, continuing to breathe. Curve your back forward. And resetting on the left. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, punch. Inhale, rocking back. Exhale as you swoop down. Inhale, curving your back forward, weight in that left foot. And exhale, resetting forward on that right side. So our last one, grasping the peacock's tail. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, left foot steps out, both arms reach out diagonally. Rocking back to that right foot, right arm comes behind you, watching it, crossing at the wrist, right arm closer to your chest, and let's release. Option to lift that back leg if you want. Rocking back onto that right foot, forward onto that left to reset. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, both arms reach, bringing your weight back to your left foot. Left arm comes behind you as you watch it, up and around, crossing at the wrists, and release it. Again, option to lift that back leg if you want. You don't have to. Rocking back, regaining your stability, that ball, and shifting it forward to your right hip. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, both arms reach out. Inhale as you come back to the right, right arm comes behind you. And exhale, release. Inhale as you rock back to that right foot. Exhale, rock forward to your left. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, right foot steps out and reach. Going back to your left foot, arm comes behind you. Crossing at the wrist and release diagonally to the right. Rock back to that left foot, forward to your right. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Inhale as you rock back, arm behind you. And exhale as you release. Inhale, rocking back, regaining your stability in the ball, and shifting forward to the left. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Inhale, rock back to that left foot, left arm comes up as you watch it, crossing at the wrists, and release. Rocking back, regaining your stability, that ball, and shifting it forward to your right hip. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Rocking back, right arm comes behind you, crossing at the wrist, and release. Rocking back, grab that ball, rock forward, shift it to your left hip. Inhale, wind up. Exhale, step, reach. Rock back to that left foot, left arm comes behind you, crossing at the wrist, and release. Rocking back, rock forward to the right to reset. So let's just close with that Tai Chi salute. Again, I'm not mirroring you, your right hand making a fist, left hand block, keeping your gaze up as you do the bow. And for our last one together, deep inhale. Continue to breathe as you bring your hands together and to your forehead. May you all have happy, joyful, compassionate thoughts. Bringing your hands down to your mouth. May you all speak kind, generous, truthful words. And hands down to your heart. May you all have warm, loving, grateful feelings in your heart for yourselves and for beings everywhere. And if you would like, please stay on. Kristen is going to be sharing a warm meditation with us next.
Hello, my name is Kristen Olson. I am a recreation therapist and a yoga teacher, as well as a certified iRest teacher. I am going to be guiding you through an iRest meditation, so feel free to start making your way towards a comfortable position. So take some time to settle into a comfortable seat, or perhaps you'd prefer to lay down, or you could even stand for this practice. As you're settling your body, if you notice that there's anything you could do that would allow you to become even more comfortable than you might already be, please make those adjustments now. And as your body begins to settle in, take your attention to all of your senses. Listen to all the sounds that you can hear. You might notice your attention jumping from one sound to the next, to the next. See if you can welcome all of the sounds at the same time, as though they're like a symphony of sounds coming together. Welcome the feel of the air in the room on your body, and the feel of the clothing that you're wearing touching your body. And feel all the points of contact between you and the surface upon which you're resting. Begin to move into the inside of your body and just see if you can feel any sensation, perhaps a subtle hum, a vibrancy, a throbbing, maybe nothing at all. Perhaps you feel the body breathing or the heart beating. There's this sense of aliveness within you. As you feel into that hum, or that sensation that's within you, begin to take your attention into the mouth and welcome any sensations that you can feel on the inside of your mouth. Noticing the roof of the mouth and the floor, the inner walls of the cheeks, left and right. Feeling the tongue and the jaw. And welcoming the whole inside of the mouth as one field of sensation. Feeling into your ears. And feeling into your eyes. Feeling your left eye and the space all around it. And feeling your right eye and the space all around that. And welcome the sensation in both eyes at the same time. Begin to feel the inside of the head. So from the eyes, perhaps you move back into the midbrain. And you begin to feel out in all directions. The crown, the face, the back of the head, the sides of the head. Feeling the whole head and face as one field of sensation. And begin to feel down through the neck, and the inner walls of the throat. Feeling into your left shoulder and down through the left arm. And feeling into the palm of the left hand. And in the palm, just seeing if you can feel that hum again, that tingling. Maybe it's in the fingertips. And then feel into the right shoulder. And all the way down the right arm. And feeling into the palm of that right hand. And again, noticing if you can feel that subtle hum, throbbing. Maybe it's in the fingertips. And then begin to welcome and feel into both arms at the same time, as though they're one field of sensation coming together. And begin to feel into your whole torso. Feel from deep inside the torso. And from the inside of the torso, feel forward. Feel back, feel out to the left and to the right. And feel the whole torso in all directions, all at the same time. And when it feels right, begin to take your attention down from the torso into your left hip. And feel all the way down your left leg, into the sole of that left foot, into the tips of the toes. And then begin to move your attention into the right hip as you're ready. And begin to feel all the way down that right leg. Feeling down into the sole of the right foot. And into the tips of those toes. And feel into both legs at the same time, so they're one field of sensation coming together. And feel into your entire left side of the body. And feel into the whole right side of the body. Begin to feel into the front of your whole body and into the back. And then begin to feel from the inside of the body out in all directions, forward, back, left, right, above, below. Feel the whole body all at the same time. And sense this essence of being, where these sensations are coming and going, yet there's this quietness, this calmness, this ease of being. It's just resting as all of these sensations arrive and then dissolve. And from being, welcome the breath. It's the body breathing itself. There's nothing that you need to do. Perhaps you feel a little rise and fall of the stomach. And as the body is breathing, notice that even as the body is breathing, there's still that essence of being that's also there, that sense of ease of being. And so as the body is breathing, you might notice that you can start to feel your senses coming back online. You might begin to notice sounds that you can hear, and maybe even the feel of your body resting on the surface that's supporting it. And then maybe that breath feels ready to deepen, and you feel the stomach rising and falling a bit more completely. Yet even as you're ready to come all the way back into this wide awake state of being, you're carrying that feeling of ease, that feeling of contentment with you as you go into the next part of your day. Thank you.